Good afternoon, student. Today we are going to discuss about the syllabus of political science class 12. There will be two papers in the subject. Paper 1 theory 3 hours 80 marks. Paper 2 project work 20 marks. Paper 1 theory 80 marks. Part 1 20 marks will consist of compulsory short answer questions testing knowledge, application and skills relating to elementary and fundamental aspects of entire syllabus. Part 2, 60 marks will be divided into two sections A and B. Candidates will be required to answer 3 questions out of 5 from section A and 2 questions out of 3 from section B. Each question in this part shall carry 12 marks. Now section A, Constitution and Government. Under this, number 1, forms of government. There are totalitarian and authoritarian states, liberal and democratic state, unitary and federal states, parliamentary and presidential forms of government. Number 2, Constitution, meaning kinds of constitution, written and unwritten constitution, rigid and flexible constitution. Number 3, franchise and representation, universal adult franchise, method of elections, constituency, minority representation, political parties and party system. Now organs of government, that is number 4, the legislature. Function of legislature, unicameral and bicameral legislature, the legislature in India and USA. Number 5, the executive. Functions, the civil services, difference between political executive and the permanent executive. Number 6, the judiciary, meaning and function of judiciary, conditions of independence of judiciary, judiciary in India and USA. Now coming to section B, Indian democracy. Number 7, Indian Constitution. Point 1, preamble. Point 2, salient feature of the Indian Constitution. Point number 8, fundamental rights and directive principles. Fundamental rights and directive principles, state policy. You have to know about the fundamental rights, meaning, importance of fundamental rights and detailed study of all fundamental rights in India. And directive principles of state policy, there is also the meaning and purpose, classification, importance of fundamental rights. Number 9, local self-government, 73rd and 74th constitutional amendment. And number 10, the last chapter, democracy in India. Under this, challenges faced by Indian democracy, caste, political violence and other 3 points are there. These are the syllabus of class 12. You have to study from these chapters. Today no more. Thank you very much.